Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer Bybit to a Web3 wallet. Alright, let's begin. First, open your Bybit account and log in. Once logged in, you will see several icons at the bottom, including Home, Markets, Trade, Earn, and Assets. Click on the Assets icon. Now, look for the option that says Withdraw and click on it. From here, choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. For example, if you're looking for Ethereum, select ETH. Next, fill out the required information. Enter the address for your Web3 wallet in the designated field. It's crucial to select the same network that corresponds with your Web3 wallet address to ensure a successful transaction. If you choose a different network when sending to that wallet, your assets may be lost permanently. After entering the address and selecting the correct network, specify the amount you wish to transfer. You can choose whether to send from your spot account or funding account. Once you have filled out all the necessary information, click on Withdraw at the bottom right to complete your transfer. So that's basically how you can easily transfer Bybit to a Web3 wallet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.